Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our new developed OSSTOOLS 3-in-1 quick connected LED light kit. First of all, let's see the package. And it is BMC blow molded case with nice color sleeve design. Of course, you can also do your private label. And let's see inside. Here we have name label. And also we have a specification label. So let's see the inside. It is very nice, fantastic. We have very simple started menu and also the foam to protect. We always think how can we be useful. The light body just like a platform, and it can be connected with different head attachment. This is awesome for our end users because they don't need lots of flashlight. They only need this one. First, let's see flashlight. And it is made from very high quality aluminum alloy. It is so smooth and it is with 350 lumen. It is with high and low setting. Here we have a quick connect. Just pull and assemble. Disassemble, assemble with one hand. Very nice. And we have also very nice logo. For sure, you can also do your private logo. Okay, let's see the second. And it is work light. Also quick connect. And it is 500 lumen. High and low setting. And it is 360 degrees. And also here can also be very flexible. And also you see 360 degrees. And it can be useful for a lot of applications. And let's see the third one. It is gooseneck. Also very simple to connect. And very flexible with 200 lumen. And this is with magnetic to pick up screws. And here we have strong magnetic. So we have a high technology Type-C charger. Here is the charging port and just connect and disconnect. Very simple. It is also 360 degrees. So thank you so much for your kind attention. If you got great ideas of head attachments, please welcome to contact with us. Thank you very much and appreciate.